Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope that you have already subscribed and that you are going to share this video, like, dislike, comment, and do whatever you want with this video. And today I want just to show you some simple tricks that you need to know when using Excel. So today I have my my Excel sheet that has several columns. It has index, item, quantity, cost, and total cost. Those are my columns, and then I have the items here. Okay, first thing that I want to do, I want to automatically calculate the total cost by multiplying the quantity times cost. Okay, so what you do in your Excel, wherever you are, whether you are using Excel or LibreOffice, like me, I'm using LibreOffice, it's just the similar way. So you just put an equal sign. Okay, put an equal sign, open a that kind of a bracket, then click on the first column that you want to use. I want to use this one. Okay, you can see it has already filled for me. C2, which is referring to this column and second row. Okay, then what I want to do, I want to multiply. When you want to multiply in Excel, you use a star. Okay, then I select the other column, which is D2, which is referring to column, this one D, and row number 2. Okay, then I close my bracket. Okay, as simple as that. And when you want to divide, you should always use a forward slash like that, but for now we want to do multiplication. Okay, after that you just do enter. Okay, you can see that it has multiplied 12 times 20, which is 240. Now what do you do for you to have this formula copied to all these other rows? Simple. Just come here. Okay, click on that cell. You can see at the down here we have a kind of a square. When you put your cursor there, it will turn into a cross. Okay, then when you get that cross, just left click. Okay, on your with your mouse, with your tab, left click, sorry, and then drag down. Okay, drag down. Okay, that will go copying your formula. Okay, yeah, and you can see that we have filled all the other rows. Okay, you can even check here. Let's just check one of them. 10 times 25, which is 250. Are you together? The same way. That's how you do copying. And I've also shown how to insert formulas. Any formula that you want to insert, you can just click on it there. And let me just cancel this. Whenever you are inserting this, you can always come here and select the formula that you want to use. Okay, you can see here we have sum, if, we have different kind of formula. You can get the max, you can get minimum, average, and all that. There are so many formulas that are available in your Excel according to your specific needs. The same way, let me assume that maybe we did not have any content in this row, so let's just clear everything here. Clear content. Okay, the same way, if you want to kind of have all this numbered without you typing 1, 2, 3, whatever, you just type, you just give a sequence that you want to use. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's my sequence. I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Then come left click on that tab and then drag down to all the 3 of them. Okay, then you can see the same square appearing there, and when you put your cursor there, it turns to a cross. Then you just drag it down. You can see that it is automatically numbering for me 12, whatever, up to where you wanted to stop. Okay, you can see that I have done that automatically. Okay, the last thing that I want to show you, let's assume that I have another new sheet that I want it only to have item and total cost. Okay, I want it just to have item and total cost. Okay, and I want the content of these two rows to be the same content of this row, so that when I change something here, it will also change on the second sheet. So what you do, you just do the same way we did in the other time. You just type an equal sign. Okay, type an equal sign there, then go back to sheet 1. Okay, we have seen that we want that column to have the item name. Okay, so just click the first item. Okay, click on the first item. Okay, like that. And actually the formula has already displayed itself here, which is if you want to do it manually, you can always go to that sheet 2 and say equals $ sheet that you want to refer to. For instance, here it is sheet 1 B2, that is B row 2. Then when you do this, you just need to enter. Okay, just enter. Okay, you can see that it has already copied our item in sheet 2. Actually, it will just redirect itself back to the space column. And to bring all the other items, just do the same thing. Put your cursor there to return to a cross, then copy down. You can see that all the items have been copied. Do the same with total cost. Go that to that total cost, then do click enter. Okay, you can see that it has brought to 40, and we can drag to copy the other items. So now if I change, let's say I change this to Pierce to 100, okay, that will automatically change this to 2500. This will also change in the second sheet. You can see it has already changed. Okay, if I change an item like here, let's just increase the quantity to 10, this will change to 300. Okay, we can go to sheet 2 and we can confirm that it has also changed to 300. So that is it for now. Do make comment down there what you want to learn from Excel, and I'm more than ready to show you how to do whatever you want to achieve using your Excel, LibreOffice, OpenOffice, whichever kind of office you are using. I will assist you. So for now, may God bless you. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Goodbye.